Hey techies, welcome to ElfinCode. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. You are watching a video from the PySpark playlist.
Welcome back. So today we will be checking how we can use this filter condition in PySpark data frame. So we will be using this filter function along with the data frame operation, and we'll try to filter out some of the data depending upon the condition which we will be putting on the data frame data. Okay, so basically there are two kind of filtering condition. One is relational filtering, which include less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and equal to. And then there's one more filtering which is logical filtering. This is again segregated under and, or, and not. Okay, so let us go to the practical area to see how we can implement this relational and logical filtering. Okay, so for this, let me create one file and I can name it as filter logical relational. Okay, let me copy the existing template. So we already have some of the data. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me add one more column here as an age. Let's say 23, 21, 32 and 13. Okay, and let me add the column name as well here. So it is going to be age. So we have this method which is converting these raw data to data frame. Okay, so here I can write one function def get filtered data on relational basis. Get a relational filtered data. Okay, so what I can do, first I need to create the data frame. So for creating the data frame, I already have this method. So I'll call this method to get my data frame created with this above data. So I'm saying get. So this is how I will be having my data frame created. Now I will be implementing mm, these relational filters. So less than. Okay. So what I can do, df dot filter, then I'll say call, uh, maybe. So we need to get the call function. Okay, it's not there. From PySpark dot SQL dot functions import call. Okay, so column age greater. So first we are implementing less than, let's say 30. Okay, and then I'll say show. Okay, so let me come to the main method. So here what we are trying to do, we are just calling this particular function which is get relational filtered data. Okay, so I'm not returning anything, so I'll just keep it just a calling method. So here we should be able to get the data where the age is less than 30. So we should be expecting data like this second record and first record. Okay, okay, great. Okay, I need to run the current file. So this is quite simple. So we can, yeah. So all those record where the age is less than 23, 21 and 13, less than 30, we can able to see all those data. Let us do one more filter where call age is less than, greater than and equal to, let's say 23. Okay, so I should be getting the record of 1 and all other record where the age is greater than 23. Okay, so this is how my purpose is to just show how you can implement all this different condition in the data frame. Okay, so you can explore it further by putting all those conditions. So now I will be telling you how you can actually add multiple condition to this. So you can use greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and all those certain thing. Okay, so here you can see we have the data where the age is greater than and equal to 3. Okay, so similarly we can combine a condition as well. So df dot filter, so you can have this age greater than so we can add few more record as well. So I can say this as 40, uh, this as 38, 36 maybe, and Raj here I can say Raj Rohit maybe 5 and 6. Okay, so what we can do, we will be putting some kind of relational condition here. So we want all the records where the age is greater than 20 but less than 40. Okay, so what we can do, less than greater than 20, so this is going to be my first condition, and call of age is greater than 20. Here I'm keeping it 20, and it should be less than 30, less than 40, let's say less than 40. We have some person. Okay, less than, we can add few more record here. Amit 44, 7, 8. So here I say that Khushbu 47. Okay, now I'm saying that this is the condition which I want to evaluate. Okay, where the age is greater than 20 and age is I mean we want to implement a kind of between filter where we say that age should be greater than 20 but less than 40. Okay, so this is the kind of record which we want to bring. So this is quite simple. This is how you can always put look. Okay, so it's a okay, so now you have put the and this also need to be enclosed in bracket. Okay, so let us see. So this is quite simple. I mean, you can put any kind of condition here. So like here we have put the condition, logical condition, and so you can put and or anything. Just ensure that it is enclosed in bracket. Okay, so here we can see that um, here we can see, I mean, all those people having age greater than equal to 20 and age less than equal to 30 are getting displayed here. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you can do this, and if you want we can put one or condition as well. So let us do one more filter, filter of column of, let's say, age, and we'll say greater than 10 and or it should be greater than 10 or less than 30. Okay, so call of age should be less than 20. Let me put one more, and here also we have enclosed the condition. Okay, great. And then we are saying show me the data. So we want all the age which are greater than 10 or less than 20. So it basically means that anything which is yeah, all those record which are okay. So I can say like greater than 20. Okay. So do we have any record? I can say this as less than 10. So let's do one thing. Let's create one record. So 13 should not come. Okay. Let's create few more record. 9. Ayansh. I'll say 5 age. Okay. Fine. And one more record we can add where we say 10 and Kritika age 15. Okay. So here our condition tells that display everything which are less than 10 age or display anything which are 20 age. So all those which are less than 10 age entry should get displayed, and all those entry which are greater than 20 should get displayed. Okay, so let's execute it. So it is quite simple to implement all these different kind of logical condition with data frame columns. Okay, great. See, all those record which are less than 10 are there. All those record which are greater than 20 are being displayed. Okay. All those record which are greater than 10 and less than 10 and greater than 20. So nothing comes in where the age was in between 10 to 20. Okay. So this is how you can implement the logical and or. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much from today's video.
Elephant quiz of the day. In PySpark, what is the effect of applying the alias method without providing a new name? Option A, it raises an error. Option B, it renames the column to its existing name. Option C, it removes the column from the data frame. And option D, it duplicates the column with the same name. Mention your answer in the comment section below. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe ElfinCode for future updates.